See, we're on the wrong side of the road, going too fast. I don't know why it thinks this is a 4-lane road, but it does. It's showing it as a 4-lane road. The 4-lane this is a frontage road next to a 4-lane. I'm way too fast on the curves. Tried to slow it down, but had to stop it. Had to take it off. Creeping out for visibility. Okay, I took over. I don't know why I couldn't go across the intersection.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Kenwood Drive.
It seems like it goes...
Now turn right onto Kenwood Drive.
Turns wide to miss some ice on the road. Oh, it's gonna go nuts. It goes around too fast and then loses control. GoPro